Race number 5. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Near at Hand in between horses. And by the rail is Divine Wisdom. On the outside is Pot Pot's Love, Beyond Good. And Babe's Magic is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Near at Hand in the lead, followed by Pot Pot's Love on the outside in second. And running in third by the rail is entry number 1, Divine Wisdom, Babe's Magic, and Beyond Good. And nearing the far turn, it is still Near at Hand by 2.5 lengths. It's still Near at Hand and moving up on the inside, entry number 1. And that is Divine Wisdom, Pot Pot's Love on the outside, Beyond Good moving up on the inside, and Babe's Magic. Rounding the far turn, it is still Near at Hand in the lead. It's Near at Hand moving up on the outside, Pot Pot's Love, and Divine Wisdom running in third in between horses. And moving up on the outside, Babe's Magic, and Beyond Good moving up on the inside. And into the home stretch is Pot Pot's Love on the outside, Near at Hand by the rail. It is still Pot Pot's Love on the outside and Near at Hand by the rail. Divine Wisdom, Near at Hand moving up once again by the rail. Pot Pot's Love and Beyond Good moving up in between horses. Pot Pot's Love on the outside moving up in between horses. It's entry number 2, Beyond Good, and finally Beyond Good, Pot Pot's Love, Near at Hand, Divine Wisdom, Babe's Magic.
2, 4, 3, 1, 5.